Hello friends, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me. This time I'm sharing one of my favorite appetizers, roasted pepper rolls. Start with 4 long sweet peppers and trim off the stems. Remove the core and scoop out the seeds. If you can't find long peppers, any larger sweet variety will work. Place the peppers on a sheet of baking paper. Time to begin roasting in the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and roast for 15 minutes. Take out the peppers from the air fryer. Beautiful! They roasted perfectly. Peel away the skin from each pepper. With enough roasting, the skin slips off so easily. In a large bowl, add 300 grams of soft cheese, traditional or vegan, whichever you prefer. Grate in a little lemon zest. Take 2 cloves of garlic and grate them finely. Chop 60 grams of walnuts into small pieces. Walnuts can be swapped for cashews, almonds, or Brazil nuts. Friends, don't miss out on more recipes like this. Hit subscribe and stay close. Add the nuts to the cheese. Chop a small bunch of dill. Stir it into the cheese mixture. Chop a small bunch of parsley. Make sure it's nice and fine. Feel free to use your favorite fresh herbs instead. Add the parsley to the cheese mixture. Add salt to taste. Sprinkle with black pepper. Add a touch of smoked paprika. Gently mix everything together. Place a roasted pepper on a plate. Slice it open lengthwise. Repeat with the rest of the peppers. Cut the longer peppers into halves. Trim the edges on both sides. Spoon a little filling onto each pepper strip. Carefully roll the filling inside the pepper. Keep rolling the rest the same way until all are filled. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I'd really love to know. I hope you're enjoying this recipe. Give this video a like to support my channel. It means the world to me. Let's prepare a pesto-style sauce. Into a blender, add 30 grams of fresh basil. Add 20 grams of your favorite nuts. I used cashews and almonds. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add 25 grams of Parmesan cheese or a firm vegan cheese of your choice. Pour in a little olive oil. Slice a lemon in half. Squeeze in the juice. Add salt to taste. Blend everything until smooth. Place some fresh arugula in a large bowl. Slice a red onion into thin strips. Add the onion to the arugula. Cut open a ripe pomegranate. Scoop out some seeds. Add them to the salad. Toss in a few capers. Dress the salad with the fresh sauce. Mix it all together. Arrange the salad on a serving plate. Place a few pepper rolls on top. Optionally, drizzle with a decorative sauce like onigiri or teriyaki, just for presentation. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. I truly enjoyed cooking with you today. I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comments. Please let me know if you tried this recipe in your own kitchen. I'd also love to hear about your favorite ways to prepare sweet peppers. Look at this, such a tender and beautiful dish to share with your loved ones. See you in the next video.